This started as an idea back in 2019, roughly, and it was on paper doing calculations and sketches, and really during the pandemic is when it came to life.
The panel was really, dreamt up as a possible solution for how we could maximize the use of mass timber and building typologies that weren't readily conducive to typical mass timber framing. We quickly realized we needed some input on constructability of this innovative system and how we could optimize it in order to take it from an idea on a piece of paper or on the back of a napkin into a reality.
We came together at DIALOG to really think about what does a timber panel look like that can span 40 feet. And the result of that was this floor system, which incorporates not only CLT as its base, but a bunch of post-tension concrete on the underside and a concrete topping on the top side. So really taking the strengths of concrete and timber, bringing them together to achieve something that hasn't been done really before.
The idea is sort of like a gateway opportunity to people who want to build buildings the way they've always built them with other materials, concrete, steel, but they want the embodied carbon benefit of mass timber. So if you don't want to start reducing your spans, changing your programming, this product allows you to kind of keep the building floor plate the exact same as it was before, but now you get the added benefits of mass timber.
We're bringing one of our full-size prototypes out of the lab. It's been in one of our structural labs for the last year into this yard, and we're doing a full-scale burn test.
We actually did 2 fire scenarios today. In the first one, we built a compartmentalization conditions to demonstrate the fire scenarios. In the second demonstration, what we actually did is just we burn wood prep and observe how the flame travels within the compartment, and if there's any continuous flamings, and how far the flame can travel at the mass timber elements.
The next step is really like bringing it to market. Ideally, having an opportunity to build a building with this product would be the next step. This test itself is really to allow people to see it work.
Hybrid has a lot of potential where people are smartly putting information and material at the right place. And so it remains at this point as a platform for people to putting ideas in to create system and product that's useful for the built environment. I hope mass timber can continue to serve as that playground or platform for innovators